Hello, tutor and classmates. It is my pleasure to tell you about my best holidays in Barranquilla and Santa Marta. The trip was in 2013 with my metal band, Ideo. We traveled by land from the city of Ibagué to the city of Barranquilla. The trip lasted 20 hours. It was quite tiring. Okay. In this photo was the bass player of the band and me. We were ready to enjoy the trip. In this picture, we were the members of the band. At the time, we talked about how happy we were for the trip. In this photo, we were enjoying an ice-cold beer. We were very hot. In this photo, I was with the singer of the band. We went out for fresh air. It was very hot. Well, here we started the concert. It was a great experience. Great experience. Okay. Here the concert was at the maximum climax. Okay. As soon as the concert ended, we went to the city of Santa Marta. There we spent the night. Okay. This was the next day in Santa Marta. I was very happy. That day we enjoyed a delicious lunch. Okay. In this picture, I was with some fans of the band. We had lots of fun. Well, I have no more photos of this beautiful experience. I hope you liked it. See you later. Thanks.